Hey, it's Hannah with the WTI. And if you're a huge fan of vintage clothing, then you're going to love this dress from GownTown.
This plaid dress from GownTown is in a 1950s swing tea dress style, and the best part is it has pockets. This dress is so stretchy and comfortable. I got this in a size 2X when going off of their size chart, and I think I could even size down one, but this is still super comfy. And I love all of the details it has with the zipper on the side and the working buttons on the front, with this sweet little collared top and this plaid that is just absolutely gorgeous. This dress is so fun and so comfortable. It is going to be so wonderful for parties or even just to wear if you love dressing in this vintage style. It is comfortable, beautiful, and is going to last a super long time. I absolutely love it.
If you love the 1950s vintage style, then you are going to love this dress, and that is my point of view.